Welcome back, guys. In this video I'll be drawing this 2D two-dimensional object. The first step is to analyze the drawing to determine how to start it. I think I will start by establishing this could be done several ways. Alright, I'll be starting here at this point. So first I go to home, then to construction layer, L for line. I'm drawing this section. Then I go 40, 40, enter, 10, 10, enter, go L, enter, 40, enter, 10, enter, 25, enter, 15, enter, and across 25, enter, and up 33, 0, enter. In this way I go 30, 30, enter, 30, enter, go down 10, 10, enter, 11, enter, then go down 20, 20, enter, enter. That part is done for now. Next, I'm gonna draw a line here, or a rectangle 120 by 60, REC, enter, left click here, shift at 125, comma 60, enter. Next, I go from here up 30C, a circle, enter. From here, I go up 30, 30, enter. C for circle, enter. From here, I go 54, 54, enter. I then go for a line, click here to here. I then draw a line from here, left click here, go out 25, enter, down 30, enter, TR, enter, 5, C, enter, 5, enter, 40, C, enter, 40, enter. 2, P, enter. L, enter. E, R, enter, enter. E, R, enter, enter. E, R, enter, enter. And that is done. That is done. Yep. So to add dimension to this, I then go to my dimension layer, click linear, left click here, left click there, drag. I think I should move this, enter, then go to annotate, click continuous, touch here, touch there. I need to adjust this arrow, the arrow head is too large. D for dimension, enter, modify, go up to symbols and arrows. Arrowhead is too large. Let it be about 2. Set current, close. Oh, guess what? Guess what? Guess what? Guess what? Guess what? Guess what? I think I made a mistake somewhere. This should be here should be 140, and there should have been 140, and this should have been 100. So this technique here, this technique, alright, it's okay, let's see. But I probably should have used a different technique there. But okay. What I should have done here is to rotate this line at 140 and then rotate this one at 100 degrees, or make a copy, rotate copy. To dimension this, I am going to continue, left click here, left click there,